Hello, my friends, and happy Halloween. I got another little batch of items to show you. Years ago, well, we really loved Halloween, so we got a lot of decorations, and as the years went by, we decided to keep them in a... They had sold these pretty cool cardboard boxes that you could fold and get ready, and it had a pumpkin on top, and those became our storage boxes. And we got a lot of them, and we got a lot of stuff, and I figured it'd be pretty cool to share with you guys because a lot of it is vintage and you just don't see it anymore. I showed you guys the most recent one from the box was the gargoyle, and he was pretty cool, a motion activated gargoyle. There was a couple of things in the box. They were candles, Halloween candles, so I want to show you the Halloween candles and a couple of other little goodies. So let me put the camera on a tripod. It'll be easier to show the candles to you. Okay, so it was in the box, and interestingly, this was on top under the cover, and I haven't seen this in a real long time, and I want to share this with you guys. This is a bit of family history. You can see his whiskers are... You see his tongue underneath, and he's a mask. And let me see if there's a date on my son Mark. I don't see a date though, but this is for his CCD, and he was making a Halloween costume, and he had to make a mask as a little project for the class. So I helped him with this, and we figured we'd make a wolf mask, and his fur is still nice and soft. It's actually cotton balls that we had put on, and then we kind of stretched it out and made it look like fur. And we put his nose, and he's a little flat now over the years. His whiskers and his teeth, and you can see his tongue. Unfortunately, there's no date, but I thought that was pretty nice. I can't believe it held up all these years, and I completely forgot about it. But it was in the box, the Halloween box. I figured I would just share that with you guys. A little bit of family Halloween history. So moving on to the candles, I thought this was a box of candles. This was in the bottom of the box, and it's not. They're battery-operated candles, or lights. And I don't know where these went. These are probably in another box. If I find them in one of the other boxes that I show you guys the stuff, I will definitely return it to the original packaging. I don't see a year on it, but this is a while ago. This is from the 90s, so this is empty. We'll put that aside. That's got nothing to do with the candles. I had shown you guys these before. I had one box in the other case that I had shown you guys, and these are pretty cool. If I can get it open. All right, that one is hard to get open, and I don't want to tear the box. I've got two of them. Pumpkin lights. You can see the jack-o'-lantern on the cover, and two pumpkins. Votive candles. On the bottom, pumpkin lights, and on the back shows you the burning instructions. Burning instructions for votive candles. Put 1/8 inch of water in a votive container before burning the candle. Burn on heat-resistant surface. Never burn unattended. And it's made from candlelight. Of course, these are meant to go into a pumpkin to light your jack-o'-lantern. And there's nothing really flammable in a jack-o'-lantern. Let me see if I can open this box and show you guys. Okay. And we'll take them out. These are just your basic standard small candles, but what makes them special is that they're made specifically for jack-o'-lanterns. And this is a pretty good sized candle, so he'll last a while. Now, the things I noticed with this through the years, if you don't have a container that it's in, If you're going to light this and put it in a jack-o'-lantern, it's just going to run down and spread out, and it's not going to last as long. Whereas if you have a little container, even a little glass, like a shot glass, to put this in, it'll last a lot longer. You can see there's nothing on the bottom, just the bottom of the wick, and the wick comes out. You can see the hole. And just like that, he's ready to go and illuminate your jack-o'-lantern. And there are 4 of them. And they're not scented at all, they're just regular wax candles. And that's everything that's in the box. Again, I just figured I'd show them to you, just because it's a little, you know, fun little vintage Halloween thing that you just don't see that much anymore. And in total, we got 3 boxes, because I had shown you a box already really quick, but one of the candles was broken in that box. And again, 49 cents. So these didn't really break the bank. So moving on to the second candles, or second package containing candles, you can see fits any standard taper holder. This is HF1119. And these were a little more expensive. These were $5 at the time. And this is from Candlecraft Candle Company. Halloween pencil taper candle. You can see both sides of the box. And they're hand-painted Halloween candles. Candlecraft. Let's see, is there a date? The writing is really small. I'm having a hard time see that. Probably see it in the camera. I don't know if that's going to focus. If I see a date, then I'll put it up for you guys. And that's everything that's on the back. You get that nice Halloween kind of background. So, we'll open it up. You can see the flaps that hold them in place so nothing happens to them. And look at that. Let's put the wick up for you guys. You can see the little jack-o'-lanterns at the bottom. The bottom one is happy despite having to carry the weight of all of them. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He's got to carry 5 pumpkins and a kitty cat on top. Let me show you guys. The little kitty cat, he's all happy. He's got a pumpkin cap on. And all the pumpkin faces. And there's another cat. And the cat is selling the pumpkins. Pumpkins for sale from the kitty cats. Let's see, is there any markings on the candle? Nope, there are no markings on the candle itself. I'll give you kind of a 360. You can see one of the leaves. And, of course, the top. So that's one of them, and they are both identical. This one looks like it's in a little bit better shape. You see the cat smiling. Put the wick up. I don't know how long these would burn, because I don't recall that we lit them or anything like them. And I think these candles are more for decoration than to actually light anyway. But you could light them if you'd like to. I don't know how long they would last. But a nice little vintage type of Halloween candle or piece. Fun little things you just don't see anymore. You may. I haven't seen it. Everything is going towards more of a electronic thing, and a fire. The candle is kind of being replaced with the battery operated pieces. So that's the candles. And we have another package of candles that I want to show you guys. These are from CVS. And these are brighten up the party with these wild-eyed candles. And a beautiful decoration, a decorative touch with these fun tapers. Pair of 10-inch, 25.4 centimeter candles. And this is from Fun World. I think I have shown you guys items from Fun World before. You see the side, Google Eye tapers. And there's no date, but you can see it's the same thing on both sides of the box. And this is from CVS. Obviously we had gotten these. Google Eye tapers. Let's see, is there a date on the bottom? No. Let's show you guys the back. Google Eye tapers in spooky font. Brighten up the party with these wild-eyed candles and a beautiful decorating touch with these fun tapers. This is a decoration, not a toy. Caution, keep burning candles out of reach of children. Never leave burning candles unattended or placed near flammable objects or materials. Extinguish candle and allow to cool before moving candle holder or touching candle. Burn candles with care. You can see this is item number 8841, made by Fun World Division. And there's no date on it. Again, all of these things are from the mid to late 90s. Let's open it up, and we'll take the first one on. These are these are really cool. Look at his eyes, the googly eyes. So again, this is probably meant to be more a decoration than actually burning, because eventually it would burn down and you would lose his eyes. Let's see, is there anything on the bottom? Nope. This is more a traditional candle, with the exception of the piece. So they probably made the candle and then added the face. You can see with the seams. But this is pretty cool. I like this. I had forgotten about these. You see his eyes. Hey, don't light me on fire. Let's see, we're gonna get his friend out. And his friend looks like he's warped a little bit. It's a little, a little crooked. So, I don't know if that was meant to be that way, to show that little bit twisted Halloween. See, his eyes are looking good as well. Let's see if we can get his eyes to move around and look at you. Hey, I see you out there. So we got these guys looking around. Oh, I see you. I see you too. The nice little vintage Halloween candles are pretty fun. And again, you put them on a table. You don't have to burn them. You could. I don't know how long they would last. But we got these candles. And we got these candles. Let's see if I can get them all together. You see them all? Looking ready for Halloween. And again, they may still do candles. I'm sure you can find candles that they make still in this as of 2021. But it seems like more everything is going towards the electronics, the battery operated or plug operated. Because I've shown you guys a candelabra that was pretty cool. But these are for the actual real old candelabras. So these guys in pretty good shape considering their age. And we got these to go into your jack-o'-lantern. So you can have your party table. You can have a couple of jack-o'-lanterns. You can have, with this, we've got 8. So you could have as many as 8 jack-o'-lanterns burning on the table. and you need to get a couple of candle holders and put these guys up. But this is just a quick little video. I wanted to show you guys the little candles that you don't really see much anymore, and share some more Halloween stuff with you. And I will be making another video soon. If you guys enjoy this, I hope you enjoy watching them as much as I enjoy making them. So I'll see you again real soon in another video.